let's do another form of pie chart where you have London for all these months. So let's copy this down. Paste. Let's move this, so or rather let's cut and paste it. So you're going to get a copy of this spreadsheet, and if you want to, any of these, if you want to find out which data series it's linked to, click on it, click on chart design and click on select data, and there you can see it's highlighted there on the data page. Cancel. So yeah, I was going to show you another type of pie chart, wasn't I? So let's see if we can make a pie chart of that. So just select anywhere on it and then click on insert, pie chart. There we go. And then let's just home, cut. Let's do a pie chart too. And click here and then paste. There we go. So this is London by month. Not particularly useful in this particular. Actually, this one is the most useful, and you can just see how much London's gone up and down over time. But if you wanted to do one of these for New York, the easiest way of doing it, I mean, you can go in here and you could change the, click there, and then so that chart design appears. You could go and try and change the select data, select a different range, but the easiest way of doing it is to just select that, copy, click there, paste, and then just delete London, right click, delete, and let's just delete these rows, right click, delete. So you could just create a pie chart like that for New York. Now, one problem is you've got this same data twice. So supposing you come here later on and you change this, suppose you change that month to 127, that hasn't updated. So if you did start doing stuff like that, having different versions of your data, you should really link it by formula. So rather than hard code it in like this is, press equals and then up arrow to 993 and then home, copy, paste, enter, and the same thing here. So you shouldn't have the same data hard coded twice. Always link by formula, and then it will never come out of sync again. So copy, select those and paste. So now if we change that to 127, that would change as well. Perfect. Let's change it back. Okay, so that is pie charts.